Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Toyota app not working. So if the Toyota app isn't working, then you could try a couple of these steps in order to fix it. So what you need to do is here, first thing, when you open the Toyota app and it's not logging in or you're not able to connect, then what you need to do is you could go ahead and simply try for an update. So on the search bar, type in Toyota and locate update if that's possible. That could be able to fix. Apart from it, you could also try clearing your cache. So long press the app, go to the I button or an app info section, and then go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, but if you're sure about it, you could do that as well. And apart from it, what you could also do is you could also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. At the same time, you could restart your device. And what next you would do is you could also try checking for an internet connection, as sometimes it could be an error with the internet issue as well. So these are a couple things you could try to fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.